Hi everyone, welcome back to Hein Academy, and in this video I'm going over how to find the reciprocal of a mixed number. Whenever we see the word reciprocal, I want you to remember in terms of flipping either the whole number or the fraction. So let's jot it down. Flip And the second thing to remember is that whenever we multiply a number or a fraction by its reciprocal, we get 1. So I want to show you with some examples to help you understand more about reciprocal. Now let's get started. So the first problem we have here is 5 2 by 3. So the process is that whenever we have a mixed number, the first thing that we need to do is we need to convert it into improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. For example, let's say 10 by 3, right? So numerator is bigger than the denominator. So once we have that improper fraction, then we can find its reciprocal. That's it. It's pretty simple, right? So now let's convert 5 2 by 3 into improper fraction. So from mixed number to improper fraction, first of all, we need to multiply whole number with the denominator and then add the result to the numerator. So that's the process. And one thing to remember is that the denominator does not change. So it stays at 3, and 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. Now we have 17 by 3 as the improper fraction. Now we can convert it into its reciprocal, which is 3 by 17. Oh, how did we get that? So simple. Reciprocal means flipping the fraction. Here we have numerator going down to denominator and the denominator going to numerator. So 17 as numerator will go to denominator and 3 as denominator will move to numerator. That's why we have 3 by 17. And now let's check with the improper fraction times its reciprocal. So we're multiplying it and see if we get 1. So we have 3 cancel out and 17 by 17 cancel out. So 1. Voila. So it shows that 3 by 17 is the reciprocal of 17 by 3, or in other words, 3 by 17 is the reciprocal of 5 2 by 3. So I hope it makes sense, and let's move on to the next example. So the next example is 6 3 by 5. Here we also have another mixed number. So the process is we convert from mixed number to an improper fraction and then find the reciprocal. So let's get started. So 6 3 by 5, we have to write it as 5 as the denominator because the denominator does not change, and then we will multiply and then add, right? So 6 times 5 is 30, and then plus 3 is we get 33 here, and now we will find the reciprocal because we already have the improper fraction 33 by 5. So flip 5 by 33. So reciprocal is flipping the denominator and the numerator. So 5 by 33. So let's check if that's the case. So 33 by 5 times 5 by 33 is equal to 5 cancel out and 33 by 33 cancel out. We got 1 here. So boom. So it shows that 5 by 33 is the reciprocal of 6 3 by 5. I hope it makes sense, and hopefully these examples are helpful for you to understand more about reciprocal. If you have more questions, feel free to comment down below, and also click that like button if this tutorial adds value to you in some ways. And I make more math tutorials just like this, so if that's what you are learning about, then I would recommend you to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can get updates on new math tutorials just like this. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.